Hello friends, how are you all? I have this Betwin ST110 light with me. This is a cell operated light that takes 3 cells, but it actually uses 2 cells. Now, a couple of people have asked how to insert the batteries. So here's how you do it. Just open it like this and insert the batteries. But how to open it? Let me explain. You see this notch on the side. You simply need to use a screwdriver like this, turn it a little, and it will open up. Then, you can easily slide the cells in. After inserting the cells, you need to close it by reversing the process. Do not use the screwdriver for this, just close it by hand. It's very simple and not difficult at all. I agree that opening it with fingers can be a bit tricky. I had trouble too. My nails were getting in the way. So, I used this Allen key set. This is a flathead screwdriver, not a Phillips. It's a minus type. I opened it easily without any trouble. It opened up smoothly. So if you are replacing the cell, you can do it this way. I want to let you know how much time your cell lasted and how long the original cell lasts. If you are using a Duracell in it, we will see how long it runs and compare how much backup it provides. If you use normal cells, like the regular 10-hour ones, they won't provide much. However, they can be used as a backup in emergencies. The light is very good. It's extremely bright. I will show you in a place. Literally, if you look into it, it can be a bit blinding. Alright friends, if you like the video, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel. I will keep bringing more useful videos. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, bye bye.